Good afternoon, this is Brett Hayworth for Siouxland Public Media News. A peaceful protest took place Sunday in Denison, Iowa after an officer-involved shooting resulted in the death of a man on Friday night. A group of more than 50 people gathered at the park where the incident occurred before marching to the police station. One of the attendees was Patty Ritchie, who was with the League of United Latin American Citizens, or LULAC, in Denison. Ritchie says the man who died was Cuban, homeless, and battled mental health issues. So far, authorities aren't releasing his name.
It is a horrific event for everybody. The police department is hurting. The Latino community and the community as a whole is hurting. This is not something that we wanted to happen or expected to happen.
The Iowa Division of Criminal Investigation is investigating the shooting in Denison. Additionally, the school year for K-12 districts in Nebraska began last week. Classes started in South Dakota on Monday, and the year in Iowa will begin in 1 week on August 25th. In South Dakota, students at Dakota Valley carried out first day activities. Elsewhere in that state, classes will start Tuesday at Elk Point, Jefferson. That's where EPJ officials have explained such things as a new process for kindergarten student drop-offs and that a mobile phone app is the best way to learn school updates and alerts. Elk Point, Jefferson Superintendent Philip Schoenbaum on the school website said, "We are ready for a fantastic year at EPJ rooted in resilience, safety, and community. Thank you for trusting us with your children." Also on Monday, classes began at Briarcliff University in Sioux City. Sioux City School District and other school officials throughout northwest Iowa continue making preparations for the school beginning next Monday, including teacher trainings being underway. And as classes begin, experts are encouraging Iowans to make sure they are up to date on their measles shots. Iowa officials have confirmed 8 cases of measles since May. According to state data, 84% of Iowa children received 2 doses of the MMR vaccine last year, which is 97% effective against the virus. That is below the 90% threshold experts consider herd immunity. Karen Bruss is a hospital epidemiologist at the University of Iowa Healthcare. She said the MMR vaccine is still the number one way to prevent getting sick and, most importantly, to prevent severe illness, especially in a highly vulnerable population of the very young or people with compromised immune systems. For Siouxland Public Media News, I'm Brett Hayworth. Check out this news and other items at our website, kwit.org.